Hi there, this is a 2014 Ford Expedition Limited with the power running boards. Unfortunately, my driver's side, left side power running board started making some really scary noises, and we're about to try to fix it and swap out the motor. Just so you know, this is the fuse that controls the running boards. If you want to leave them in the up position, down position, whatever you want to do, pull that fuse and they will stop working. Before I get started, I basically started hitting everything with the lubricant spray just as a precaution. Seems to help it move up and down quite a bit. What I did was I already went underneath and unplugged the actual motor for the running board. So let's get in there and get started. Just to show you, that's the plug for the running board motor. I just unplugged it and I'm about to start taking the screws out, taking it off, switching it out. Looks like we got 2 Allen key screws here. I'm going to start taking them off. I'm not sure what size the Allen is, just don't ask, I have no idea. So the other side of those Allen keys needed a 10mm socket. So I just held it in place, as you can see, and used my drill to break the screw loose. Same process for the top screw. The top screw is a little bit longer. Just remember that. Of course, there's one more screw at the top. It's a 5/16, I think. And the other two. See, 1, 2, and 3 up there. It is the longest of the 3 screws. 3 screws. When I got the motor to come out, I had to give it a quick little tap with a hammer right there where the pin comes through, the driver pin, whatever you want to call it. Sorry about the blurry screen. There you go. Quick little tap, sliding right out. I'm just going to have to take one of the little pins out right here to take that plastic shroud off to get it all the way out. There we go. That should give us a little bit more room to slide this puppy out. I'm hoping. Come on. I've already tested the new motor. Plugged it in, runs as it should. Just gonna have to put it up, put it in, hope that it's actually driving the right way. That's the new motor. I picked it up on eBay for about $68. My dealership told me they wanted $1,120 and I laughed. So we'll see how it works. If not, 68 bucks. This pin here, this 4th screw and this little block, sorry, go right here, holding this in, part of the running board, holding that in. That little block fits right inside the groove of the drive pin and moves the gears of the running board up and down. Alright, so as you can see, these are both the same, I'm hoping. So there are these, whatever you want to call them, here. They have to be taken off and put on the new motor in order to screw it back together. So we're going to do that now. Alright, so we just swapped out all those pieces from the old motor to the new. These are them. I'm going to try one more time, put it back in, see how it goes. Well, I'm just as surprised as you guys. It works. I just wanted to point something out that was the hardest part of everything, and it's this bolt right here. Where are you? There. You take that bolt out, there's a little piece of metal, it's a block, that goes in between the piston to help it catch the gears, I guess, and move the board up and down. But you take that bolt out and that block falls out, it's really hard to get it back in, but it's got to come out, otherwise the pin won't slide in and out anyway. You're just going to have to play with it and get it in from here. this is where I put it in from, and then I just rotated the pin until it caught, put my screw in, and I was good. Well, I hope this helps. I know if there was one out there, it would have helped me, but like I said, I'm surprised it works. First time, hopefully last time. Take care, guys.